Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here we have a Minico figure from Batman series. Like, you got the Batman Joker here. This is from Iron Studios. Enjoy the clip. Alright guys, so now on to the unboxing. So this is from the Batman 1989 film. Just a classic film. So you can see the side of the box here has a nice drawing or art of the Batman figure itself. It also has, it shows the Joker as the other item to collect with this piece, which mine should be arriving tomorrow. First impressions, this yellow really pops out. Looks so good. Okay, so here is the unboxed Batman figure. Right off the bat, this looks pretty cool. Super light, super light. Bottom of the base, we have, Minico, Batman, Iron Studios. So the base here looks like just a standard base. It's grayish, looks kinda deteriorated. Right here, moving on to Batman, you got his boots, his yellow belt, that Batman our logo. You got his cape all around. Now close up of his face. You got his eyes. These are kind of neat because they make them more like anime or like cartoonish, or they add their touch of cartoonish anime style to them. I ordered this piece from Iron Studios. They look cool, and it looks like they're expanding this line, the Minico series. So I'll be reviewing a lot more of these. I know I have the Joker one on the way, which I think connects to this. So when I review, I will I'll put them next to each other and see how they connect. I'll leave the link in the description so you guys can grab one of these if you guys want. The height of these are roughly around 6 inches. You got the base, basically 3 by 3. Yeah, these are pretty cool. These average around $30. So I mean, it's not too bad for what you get. Obviously this is smaller than what you're used to. I still consider this a statue. I believe it's just a mini statue, to be honest. Feels great in the hand. They'll look good. Once you collect a lot more of these, I think it'll look good in the collection. Yeah, I look forward to reviewing a lot more of these. These look pretty neat. Alright guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.